No, this one coming.
And I have new one. I like the color is a white one. Tingnan yung blower ko. Kasi kung iano siya, talagang masusunog na talaga siya. Kaya bibili ako ng panibago ngayon, guys. So wala sa plano sa makabili tayo ng panibago kasi gamit na gamit ito sa akin eh. Kasi pag naliligo ako, kailangan ko mag-dryer agad kasi nga pangit kasi yung buhok mo lagi mong nakatali tapos basa. So guys, punta ako sa labas. Pero may pasok ako, pupunta ako sa labas ngayon. How much? Yes. Wow.
Clearance out.
This one open?
Yeah.
So can you how much? Oh wow, it's nice.
2000 amounts. You can fold also.
Like,
And there is attachment also. Big one and small one.
can I see it? And can we try it?
You see, this is the attachment. So, this one.
Can you try, sir?
You can control the screen.
But you don't have ano black one?
No, this one coming.
And I have new one. I like the color is a white one. Tingnan mo, 8BD, 0.5. No, it's 5.5. 3BD. My friend, I will not buy too much expensive. Only my
That
buy.
is good.
Yeah. But there's a warranty also, this one, right?
Warranty there is.
Okay.
This one 3 months, sir.
Okay, sir, no problem. Yeah. What is the name of this, ano? Shop? Name of the shop? I forgot. Yeah, ang shop daw. O, diba? Out! Kami ng panibago. So, yung mayroong design.
It will spread all over the head.
Ah, okay.
That one direct. So told this one direct and this will spread all the head.
You just make it like that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
The other one, see, no, the
Okay.
cap, no, only the cap.
Ah, okay. So, yeah, that's it. Only plastic. Okay.
This one, just press.
Ah, okay.
That's it.
I have question. I have like this, but it's like burn that side. Kalas
Motor
niya.
is gone.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I will buy it that one. Yes. Thank
Just
you.
open back. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
The speed level.
Yeah.
That's it.
But it's white, no? But what to do? It's okay, no problem.
White is nice color no? For ladies. They like white. We can come this way, please.
Okay. So magbabayad na tayo, guys. Kat may ATM. Diba? 322 48166.
It's okay.
Yeah. Thank you, my friend. Bye-bye. Bayad ako ng internet. Punta ka baluan eh.
100 crores.
Three eight zero 244
Bakit kami pinaglayo? Ano bang ginagawa? Di naman nagpapabaya sa aking pag-aaral. Sana maging masaya ako.
Kung tsinelas dito, ang ganda. Hindi ko alam kung bibilhin ko. So, Check natin. Hi, come back, my friend.
Okay.
I don't know this one or that one. Maganda din to, oh. Wait lang, ha? Guys,
No, then small no time.
only this one?
Big.
Huh?
I look like okay, that one. You see, look like a mirror.
Ang cute. I like this. I saw this one in the internet. But if you brush this one, pangit ng paa ko.
See, that's okay.
Ha?
That one not good.
But if you brush this one, the color is gone or no?
No good.
Ha? Not going? Are you sure?
Sure. 100% yes.
This is the new. What is the name of your shop?
Falcon.
Falcon. Okay.
You shooting video?
Yeah. I'll put this one in TikTok, okay?
Okay.
Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng ano nila. And this side also, I like it. But next time if I will buy 1.5, okay? So we can next time, if I have tip. So, nakabili na ako ng isa. Okay. Bili na naman ng chinelas.